Want to know how to prepare for boss battles in King's Road? So boss battles in King's Road can be pretty tough and very difficult. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily prepare and beat bosses and prepare for boss battles in King's Road. So let's get right into it. So boss battles can be tough, and before fighting a boss, make sure you always upgrade your main heroes and make sure their skills are unlocked. Equip your best gear and focus on heroes with strong damage and survivability. Bring healing or buff items, don't forget it. They can completely change the outcome of a fight. During the battle, don't trust. Use skills at the right moment instead of spamming them. With proper preparation and timing, even difficult bosses become much easier to defeat. And that's it. This is how you prepare for boss battles and defeat the bosses in King's Road easily. So at least these will remove most difficulties. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.